She is explaining how our company solved her overstay fine problem and how we issue her legit freelance visa with verified contract and WPS salary transfer. Please check out the complete.
Hello, good morning from Easy Visa. Ako po ay isang Pilipino na nag-apply dito sa Easy Visa na may 4 na taong fine sa Emirates. Smooth and very easy at na-reduce naman yung aking fine na low cost at nakapagbakasyon na rin sa Pilipinas and come back in the UAE for easy. Ang kailangan lang ninyo is verified contract, Emirates ID, and company certificate. Employment certificate, that's all. Emirates ID. Ay very legit. At hindi po siya yung totally na when you are applying at iaano nila yung ika-cancel nila nang wala kayong kaalam-alam. At may mga kasunduan din po na pinipirmahan po ng hindi po niya ika-cancel ang visa niyo until hindi kayo nag-surrender na hindi na kayo magre-renew. That's all.